Discover the Pro Model's versatility with its Excel export feature. Effortlessly convert the Pro Model into an Excel report, as shown here with live values. Enjoy organized insights with multiple tabs. The summary page offers a snapshot of the capital stack and key metrics per scenario. The Inputs page features a live look at your model's inputs. Explore the Collateral tab, detailing all senior collateral such as the domestic MG, tax credits, pre-sales, eligible collateral, and senior loan sizing. The Senior tab reveals loan amounts, recoupment terms, obligation breakdown, interest reserve, and cash to production. Dive into the Gap tab for insights on the Gap obligation breakdown, Gap cash to production, and mezzanine inputs and obligations. Next, navigate the Revenue tab for a breakdown of revenue less haircut, sales agent commissions, collection account fees, distribution expenses, and residual reserves, leading to net receipts. Finally, the Waterfall tab presents comprehensive figures you might not see in the Teche application. We appreciate your time watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Interested? Sign up for a 7-day free trial at filmcapro.com. Thank you.